Every week I write the same Instagram post, same caption, same image briefs over and over again. So I built a Claude skill to do this entire thing with just one command. Captions, hashtags, and even a branded PNG image matching our company's brand guidelines. And here is the part that matters the most. I have zero coding background. In this video, I'm going to rebuild it with you live, step by step. So by the end, you can build a skill for your repetitive work too. I'm Achyut, A-C-H-U-T-H, Achyut G. Ramesh. I'm a performance marketer with 8 years of experience and not a single line of code in my career. So if you're a freelancer or marketer who thinks that Claude Skill is for developers, then this video is a proof that they are not. No theory today. We are going straight into the VS Code and you can follow along on a free setup. I also want to tell you quickly that here are a few things that makes Claude Skills way different from just prompting on ChatGPT. 4 things. Number 1, skill is like an SOP for AI. You write the instructions once and Claude follows that exact process step by step every single time. No re-explanation needed. Number 2 is that it's just markdown file, plain text. And that's the code in Claude Skill. Number 3 is it can actually do things. Call APIs, run scripts, and generate files. In today's video, our Claude skill will create a real PNG image using NanoBanana. Number 4 is you can trigger this skill with just one / command or just by asking naturally with natural language. Hey, can you create an Instagram post for me? Everything else like cost optimization, iteration tricks, brand asset set, I'll explain all of that as we hit the screen because that's how you will actually remember every single thing. Now let's open VS Code and let's start working. Please note that every resources that I've used like skill.md file, reference.md file, all of that I have attached in and pinned in the comment section. So you can get it by just downloading it from the comment section. That's it. And then you can follow along with me as I work and just use it.
Right now I'm in VS Code. I'll be using Claude using the VS Code. I have already explained why I use Claude Code within my VS Code. If you don't have a VS Code and you want to follow along with me, then I would suggest that you download the VS Code. You can visit code.visualstudio.com and you can download Windows or Mac, whatever suits you, like whatever system that you use. Once you download it, this will be the interface that you will be in. From here, what you need to do is, if you have not installed Claude Code, I'll suggest that you type in Claude Code and it will show you something like this and you just have to install it. Okay, once that is installed, now you need to create folders. Like it will look like this. It will ask you to create folders. So I'll create a new folder. I created a new folder called My Claude Skills. So right now we are within My Claude Skills. As you can see here, close this and then click on the extension. Now once you're done with this, you need to click on the Claude icon over here, Claude Code, and click on new session. And we have this new session. That's where we'll start the work. In this project, I'll ask it to create a new directory, .Claude Skills /builder. It's skill builder, skill directory. Yes. If I click on this drop down within .Claude, I have skills. Within that skills, I have skill builder. Created the Claude /skills/skill builder is empty. When you are ready, add a skill.md with skills name, description, and instruction to make it usable. So right now I need to add skill.md file, which I will link in my comment section. I'll pin it in my comment section. You guys can download it and add it just as I'm doing it right now. I have skill.md and reference file right here. So I'll just drag it and drop it in the skill builder. Yeah, okay. Now we have reference.md file and skill.md file in the skill builder folder. Just to confirm, I will ask, can you confirm if skill builder has the new skill that I have added? Okay, it confirms yes, it's there and registered. The directory contains your 2 files, skills.md and reference.md. The skill now shows up in the available skills list as. So yeah, it loaded correctly. So now I will ask Claude to create a new skill using this skill. Okay, so now let's use skill builder to build a skill for me. Now it's asking me what should this new skill do? What problem does it solve or what workflow does it automate? Out of all of this, I'll say that I want to create social media posts. Which platforms should this skill write post for? I'll say Instagram, hashtags with visual first and casual. Then input, what does the skill start from? What's the input? A topic or idea, existing content, a URL, brand guideline file. It's a brand guideline file and topic or idea. Skill name, say social post will be / command will be this. So that's now the other questions that is asking is how should the skill be invoked? I would say both. It should get invoked by by / social post and also by natural language, write an Instagram post kind of thing. Once that's done, output 3 caption options, 1 polished post plus visual brief. No, I'll say that I need a PNG file. I want you to create Instagram post for me using Kie.ai, using NanoBanana from it, and give it to me in a PNG format, PNG file. So we have this brand file. It's asking where should the brand guidelines live and do they exist yet. Create one now with me. I have a file already, skip for now. I already have brand guidelines with me. You need to create a folder now specifically for brand assets in which I will add the brand guidelines and brand logo. As next is saving. Should the post be saved to files or just shown in chat? I'll say save to file. What I did right now is Flying V Group is the company that I work for. I asked Codex to get me the brand guidelines and logo of Flying V Group. I gave the website and it just found out it created this brand guidelines like personality, positioning, first the colors as well. So it's all right here. It also scraped the logo for me. One is used on white and how it looks on the dark background color. So we have both of them. I will just now move this to brand assets as a folder. Let's see what we are doing on the VS Code. Okay, in the VS Code, it's asking me to confirm you mean Kie.ai. Yes, Kie.ai. Do you already have an API key for it? I just say that can you create a .env file where I can add the API key? That's there. Then besides the PNG image, should each run also produce the caption text? Yes, along with the PNG, it will also create the captions. Since each image generation costs money, how careful should the skill? So it will show me the prompt first, image prompt first, and once I approve, then it will go and run to create the image. So with this, so we have everything right now. So it gave me the summary. Goal is to create a ready to publish Instagram post with a branded PNG image. It will use Kie.ai's NanoBanana model plus caption with hashtags from topic you provide, and it will get triggered both by the slash command as well as the natural language arguments will be the topic that I'll be sharing. It will read the guidelines, take the topic, draft the image prompt, and once I approve it, it will send it to Kie.ai NanoBanana API and then download the PNG file and save it in this particular folder. Okay, sounds good. We have everything like inputs, output, what all the things needs to be added. Outputs should be this, dependencies, ski.ai APIs, guardrails as well. So everything sounds good. Let's go. Let's start the process. We'll turn on the bypass permission so that it does not ask me any questions anymore. Okay, it just got completed. These are the tasks it just completed. Verify Kie.ai NanoBanana API endpoints. Done. This is done. Then it went ahead and create the brand assets folder and output folders. The brand assets folder is right here and the output folder. Whenever the image is created, it will be shown right here. This is the script that we have over here. We have the skill.md file which is also got created. So yeah, almost everything is right here. Then I will add the API key to the .env file. I have already added it. The next is I need to add the brand assets. This is the brand guideline, which I'll just move it over here. We have the brand logo as well, which I'll just add it here. Now I will ask Claude, can you go through the brand assets and can you confirm that if you can find the Flying V Group's brand guideline as well as logos? Okay, it confirmed that it does find the guidelines and logos. Skill.md file is also updated. I'll just also ask about the API key that I just added. I have also added the Kie.ai's API key in the .env file. Can you confirm it's connected or not? Okay, it says that key is connected. The key is saved now and the authentication works. Now this particular commands will work for us. Brand guidelines and logo suite is updated. Kie.ai API key is also connected. Now let's go ahead and so now let's test it out. I gave a command on this to create an Instagram post about AI marketing. Now it's working on it. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, it shared this Instagram post AI marketing. This is the proposal it has. This will be the caption: minimalist executive social media. I said sounds good. So this is the Instagram post that it created. It looks decent, but I would say that it can be improved a lot more. What I need to do is I just need to iterate more, like give it more instruction what exactly I want it to have. Like right now, SEO versus geo is good, but having the SEO and geo again doesn't look good. So I just need to keep on giving instructions so that it understands a pattern. I can change this background. Right now, the background is darker version. I can have white as a background and other brand colors to be used as the fonts and text, right? So we can use that. So remember, whenever you build a skill, you don't rely on the first version. You will need to iterate. You need to keep on changing. You need to make sure that those changes or the better version is added to the skills.md. So all of that is very important. That's how you improve on the skills. You will, on the first go, you will never get the best skill that you had imagined, but you just need to work on it again and again.
So that's the first build, the very first Claude skill from you. Zero coding, from empty folder to creating Instagram post with just one command. Remember, the version 1 will never be perfect. Iterate, feed the fixes back into the skill.md so that it can understand and learn from it, and it will keep getting better. If this video has helped you, then hit like button and subscribe. I drop a new video every week for freelancers and marketers, showing them how to use AI so that they can save time and earn more. If you have got any questions related to Claude, maybe it could be Claude Skill, Claude Code, or anything, then drop that in the comment section. I read every single one, and your question might be my next video. And if you're just starting out with Claude and this one felt a bit advanced, don't worry. Watch this video right here. It will get you set up from absolute zero. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.